Yeah, look, they said that I couldn't do it, so I went and did it. W's only, you know I've been winning. Top of
It's the Money Doc here, and you know it's time for that money hack and life hack. And today, our conversation is going to be one that is much needed. And what I'm going to talk to you about is one of the key elements that people usually miss when it comes to building wealth. And what that is life insurance. Okay, so I know, you know, your perspective and life on life insurance may be from someone else, you know, giving you something you didn't like, or you believe that, you know, it's a scam. But let me share with you exactly what scam simply means. Scam simply comes down to still confused about money. When you think about life insurance, let's scratch that. Let's think about insurance in general. Everything of value, we insure it. Our cars, our homes, our pets, even jewelry. All right, we now have to insure our rental properties, right? Where we rent to live, we have to insure. What I want you to think about is this. If everything of value is insured, why are we only informed of death insurance without understanding the importance of life or legacy insurance? Because death insurance is simply something that pays out when you die. I've always wanted to have this conversation on this topic because I believe life insurance everyone should have. I didn't say death insurance. I said life insurance because we don't have a debt date. Right? Life insurance comes down to individuals completing and seeing financially where they are and the amount of coverage that they need. And it's not just for everyone or anyone. It's for those that love themselves and their family. So as I stated to you before, how is it that you cannot drive off of a parking lot without insurance, and you cannot buy a house without insurance? You're not guaranteed for your house to burn down. You're not guaranteed to get into a car accident, but it's mandatory that you have these things insured. But let me ask you a deeper question. How come we are not informed, or why is it not mandatory that we do have coverage? Aren't we all guaranteed to die? Yeah? Okay. With 1 in 3 Americans getting cancer, 1 in 3 getting diabetes, and 1 in 4 gets a stroke, it's not if life is going to happen, it's when. And the question you have to ask yourself is, what do you have that protects your life, your income, and your family, so they don't have to go through the challenges that you're going through, because financially we make them a part of the burden. So when you think about protection, life insurance is just a way to transfer risk. Protection is simply what you use to keep foreign things away. Let's think about, you know, when we were babies. Before we were even born or even developed in the womb, there's a sac that protects the baby, right, in the mother's womb from anything that's foreign that will harm the baby. That's protection. So when you think about it, how is it that after the child is being born into this world, they don't show us to still protect these kids, right? Because that's when you need the most protection. Kids are getting diagnosed with autism, disabilities, and these things affect them long term. Same thing with parents. We're becoming disabled faster, earlier. The average individual that is leveraging disabilities under the age of 65. So my question to you is, with these statistics and these numbers so high, how come more people don't see the value of life insurance? Because life insurance is not only for when you die. Life insurance is not religion or politics, so you don't have to like it. You just need to understand it. It's a way to protect yourself and your family from financial crisis. I wish my dad understood the value of life insurance with living benefits. I wish my dad knew about how to leverage life insurance as a legacy plan for his kids. Because most individuals see life insurance as when you die, but that's death. Life insurance with living benefits allows you to leverage living benefits. So if you get critically ill, chronically ill, or terminally ill, you can leverage the money before you die. So in our minds, we think life insurance is for death, when life insurance is simply legacy building, wealth transfer. Check out the Rockefellers and what they did. Right? Check out Warren Buffett and where majority of his money is. So life insurance is wealth insurance. The wealthy have been leveraging it for decades to transfer wealth for generations and generations to come. What is one thing your parents didn't know, or you wish that they knew, that you wish they would have done for you? Let's break the trend of not protecting. No more life insurance is now protecting insurance. Protecting our assets, protecting our family, and protecting our income. If you are not covered today, make sure you find a way to reach out, to learn the different options so you can protect your family, your health, and your income, and not be like my family before I got to this point where I now understand for a crisis to knock on our doors before we understand the value of people, time, and things. Stay blessed and be blessed.